If you've been trying to learn Spanish and wondering what to do and where to start, well, this video is for you. I mean, most people don't realize you need around 3,000 words to understand about 95% of spoken Spanish. But if you've ever tried learning a language before, you already know just learning words isn't enough. You need to hear them in context over and over again to actually understand how they're used, and eventually start using them yourself. That's what brings me to Pimsleur. It's one of the most realistic ways to build a foundation in Spanish, especially if you want to get comfortable speaking early on. You're hearing full conversations, repeating phrases out loud, and training your brain to think in Spanish, without staring at flashcards or grammar drills all day. Okay, so Pimsleur is a language learning program that's been around for over 50 years, and it's designed to help you speak a new language like Spanish using its audio-based method. It focuses on real-life conversations. It was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, a linguist and language expert, who really believed that learning a new language should be simple and accessible for everyone. The program originally started out with cassette tapes and CDs, which is kind of crazy to think about now, but it's come a long way since then. And today, Pimsleur offers lessons in over 50 different languages and has built out a full online platform, including an app and web version. Now, each lesson is around 30 minutes and built on a short, real-world conversation. You listen, repeat, and respond out loud as the speaker guides you through it piece by piece. And because it's built entirely around audio, that means you can do it while walking, driving, cooking, whatever fits into your day. Everything inside the app is synced across devices, whether you're using a phone, tablet, or desktop. And if you're someone who likes to learn on the go, you can download lessons for offline use. That's especially helpful if you're commuting, traveling, or just somewhere with a spotty signal. There's even Alexa support, so if you have a smart speaker at home, you can go completely hands-free and run lessons through that too. And hey, if you're interested in learning Spanish with Pimsleur, you can use my link in the description, which normally gives you an extra discount. The very first Spanish lesson focuses on basic greetings, common questions, and everyday scenarios. Things like asking for directions or ordering food. And instead of memorizing them, you're practicing them in real time with guided audio. Another thing that makes Pimsleur stick is something called spaced repetition. It brings phrases back right when you're about to forget them. Instead of forcing yourself to memorize, Pimsleur just brings things back into your brain naturally, the same way you'd start remembering parts of a song. Over time, you'll find yourself recalling phrases automatically, even if you haven't reviewed them in a few days. And because everything is built around speaking, you're not just recognizing the words, you're using them. That's a huge deal when it comes to building confidence. After a week or two of consistent listening, try retelling what you've learned in your own words. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just repeat a phrase, recap a short story from the lesson, or even describe your day in basic Spanish words. This activates your speaking muscles even more. You're going from passive understanding to actually producing the language. And that's where real growth happens. Write a few sentences, say them out loud, or even record yourself. It helps lock in what you've learned and exposes any words or patterns you still need to work on. Now, if you're wondering how much it costs, Pimsleur gives you a 7-day free trial with full access to everything, like the lessons, tools, and features, so you can try it out before committing. After that, there are a couple of options. The premium plan is just under $20 a month, and it gives you full access to the Spanish course. That includes over 30 core lessons, flashcards, quizzes, transcripts, and the voice coach pronunciation tool, all the extras that come with the app. Then there's the all access plan, which costs around $21 a month, and that unlocks every language in the app, not just Spanish. If you think you want to try out other languages like Italian or Japanese later on, that option gives you more flexibility. Or if you prefer a one-time payment, there is a lifetime plan that costs about $150. You get permanent access to the full Spanish course with all the features, and you never have to pay again. And no matter which plan you go with, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out and there's no pressure to commit if it's not for you. So here's the big picture. If your goal is to actually speak Spanish, to have conversations, travel more comfortably, or to just feel more confident, then I would definitely recommend giving Pimsleur a try. It's hands down one of the easiest ways to fit language learning into a busy schedule, and most importantly, it works. And again, I've included a discounted link in the description that gets you a better deal than going straight to their website. So definitely check that out if you're interested. And if you've got any questions about how it works, how I used it, or what to expect, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Good luck with your Spanish learning journey, and I'll see you in the next video.